So today we will be drawing a giraffe. To draw a giraffe, first we will draw an oval, then we will make two little eyes of the oval and a little smile. Then we will make an inverted U. Above U draw a M. Then we will draw leaf shaped ears on both the sides. You can draw this with me, it is very easy. Then draw two little eyes, and the face of the giraffe is almost completed. Now we will draw the neck. For this, draw two slanting lines and some little half circles. So this is the final look of our giraffe. Now we will paint it. Please subscribe. Thank you.